Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Jyotsna Meena and today I am going to explain you the topic of business study class 12th. This is video number 8 which is given in detail in your PDF 2. Now today in the principles of management I am going to explain scientific work studies. So what are the scientific work studies? As per F.W. Taylor, so this scientific work study is also a part of the principle of experiment. As I explained in the previous video, as the principle of experiment, different type of experiments are made by F.W. Taylor, under which different studies are made on work. They are called scientific work studies. So first of all, first study is time study. What is time study? Time study is the study of average time taken by any worker in performing any work. Means this determines the ideal time which should be taken by average worker in performing any type of task. Now second one is motion study. Motion study is the study of movements taken by worker at any type of job or any task. This is the in this the determination of ideal movements are made, that what movements are should be taken by any worker in performing any job so that he perform the work easily and without any problem. He can comfortably work or comfortably fulfill his jobs by using the ideal movements on a work. This is called motion study. Third is method study. Method study related to the method of performing any job. There may be different type of method in for performing any task or any job or any work, and which method should be suitable or appropriate, or which method is the best method for performing that work so that the worker cannot get tired, the worker can do the production at its maximum level, the worker can comfortably fulfill the task. Everything is observed and the best and suitable method is chosen in the method study, and it is determined, and the workers have to work according to that particular type of suitable or best method. Then next is fatigue study. Fatigue study is the study about the tiredness of the worker. That it is observed that after how much time a worker can get tired, and after how much time he should need a interval or break during the work, and how much number of intervals should be needed by him so that he can regain his energy and come on the work with a same enthusiasm or same energy. So he should be given appropriate intervals or appropriate time of rest due to during his work. This is the fatigue study, and this is the study about the capacity or efficiency of the worker. Next, these are the four type of scientific work study as per Frederick Winslow Taylor. Now I am going to explain the difference in time and motion study. Now see what is the difference in time and motion study. The both of the studies are very important during the managerial work, and the difference between both are, first of all, meaning. Time study, what is time study? As you understand by the name, this is the study of time taken by average worker during for performing any work. It determines the average time for performing any work, that how much average time should be taken by average worker. Then motion study is the study of movements. As you know, I explained prior that motion study is the study of movement taken by worker, and it determines the ideal movements which should be taken by worker during performing any task. Second one is order or sequence. Time study is done first, means it is done before motion study, and motion study is done after time study. In the sequence, the time study is done before the motion study, and after the time study of time, the study of movement is done. Third one is apparatus or equipment. What type of equipment is used for doing the time study? The stopwatch is used for measuring the time in the work of time study, while in the work of motion study the camera is used as equipment for observing the movements of the worker. Next one is increase in the efficiency object. The object of time study is increasing the efficiency by saving of time. Means time study helps in increasing the efficiency or capacity of worker by saving the his time or removing the wastage of time, while the motion study helps in minimizing the unnecessary movement or removing the unnecessary movement of the worker so that he cannot get tired and perform the work well. And last one is determination. In the time study, the standard time is determined in advance. The ideal time or standard time which should be taken by average worker is decided in advance. It may be in hours or in days. For example, 2 hours is decided for any work or 2 days is decided for any target or task. This standard time is determined and it is asked the workers to do the work within the time. And in motion study, ideal movements are determined for any type of work. The workers are asked to perform the work by taking that type of movements which are helpful in saving their energy, and by which movements they can comfortably perform their work. So ideal movements are decided in advance for performing any work. The workers get trained that how they have to perform any work by taking which type of movements. So this was the difference in time study and motion study. So today in this video we study about the types of scientific work study. They are of 4 types: time, motion, method and fatigue study, and difference in time and motion study. Okay, thank you.